And good morning, everyone, and welcome back to NeelyFX. My name is Michael Neely, and this is the channel where I talk about Forex trading, foreign exchange trading, and prop firm trading, and making money doing all those things. In the meantime, let's go ahead and get into our risk disclaimer screen, since that's what I'm in the United States, and this is something I've got to do by law. First, this channel is for educational and entertainment purposes only, and does not constitute trading or financial advice. I'm a professional trader, not a broker, trading my own capital. I'm also involved with it's not in the script, but it's I'm also involved with a foreign exchange trading challenge with Audacity Capital out of London. I do not solicit funds, manage client accounts, nor do I hold a CFTC or NFA registration at this time. Now, foreign exchange trading is highly speculative with a high risk of losing some or all of your investment capital. Only trade with funds you can comfortably afford to lose. Now, the CFTC risk disclosure goes like this. Forex trading carries a high degree of risk and may not be suitable for all investors. The high degree of leverage can work against you as well as for you. Before trading Forex, carefully consider your investment objectives, experience, and risk appetite. You could sustain a loss of some or all of your investment capital. So basically what this stuff means is, one, I'm not a broker. Do not send me money. I will not trade for you. I will not trade on your behalf. And also, you can lose all your money trading Forex. But fortunately, you can only lose all your money instead of trading futures, where you can lose all of your money and then some. So let's go ahead and get into what we're going to talk about today. Let's start with the DXY. And there it is. It's not very a whole lot going on right now. We've got really tight Bollinger Bands, as well as the latest 4-hour candle is sitting right on that middle band, which we call the 20 period moving average. To see what's going on today, well, first we have the Fed watch. We are still looking at a 25% basis point rate cut for the dollar on October the 29th. That's a good ways away. A lot of things can happen between now and then. And then we come over here and we have non-farm payrolls, unemployment rate, and average hourly earnings coming out today. Well, none of that's going to happen since the Bureau of Labor Statistics is on furlough right now during the government shutdown. So we're not going to get any fundamental news today, which may work against us, may work for us, who knows. We do have some Fed talk from people like Williams and Goolsbee. I would skip the Goolsbee one. He tends to be politically motivated, so we're going to not pay too much attention to him because he is extremely politically motivated. So after that, we're going to go back to the DXY. Again, not a whole lot going on there. So the dollar is not really a fun thing to trade today so far. We are still in the London session. New York opens in about half an hour, I think. Let me see. The European euro versus the dollar. It's a bank holiday in Germany, so there's not going to be a whole lot going on here either. And since it's a bank holiday in Germany, the whole euro area is kind of not really a whole lot going on today. Dollar versus the yen. Again, not much going on here. Coming out of the 8, we're already about 11:30 in London right now, so it's not a whole lot going on there either for the dollar versus the yen. Right there on that 20 period moving average, and we've got very much tightening Bollinger Bands. So that's not going on. Tightening of the Bollinger Bands means not a whole lot of volume. Not a whole lot of volume, not a whole lot of things to trade. So we've got to have price difference and price action in order for trading to make sense. We have pound versus the dollar. It's right here at 134.47, right at 134.5 basically. So it's not really going anywhere either. We do have a little bit of movement right there, but it's kind of looks like a 50% retrace of that bullish bar right there, bullish candle right there. Again, not a whole lot going on. The dollar versus the yen seems to be stuck right here too. We've got a 4-hour support trend line right there that's trying to break. So we'll see if it continues with that, as well as at the daily. That's the Oh, we don't know about this. Oh, that's just a straight line. And oh yeah. I drew that yesterday after watching James Stanley's video, saying that it's going to end up being a very strong area of support. Is 198.08. Then anything above that is going to be bullish, and anything below that is when you really get a price break again. So the UCAD. See what's going on with the UCAD, and again, that's a straight line. Not a whole lot going on. Again, through the Asia and London sessions, the New York session may prove differently. We'll see about that. It's 139.66 right now. A couple hours before New York opens. We'll see how that happens. Well, I mean, 30 minutes before New York opens. I think it opens at 8. Is when they all get together and say, hey, we're open. When in all actuality, the Forex market never closes, except on the weekends. Aussie versus the dollar. We have, again, not a whole lot going on. Kind of pulled back into the that middle range. So, and very tight Bollinger Bands with the Asian session closing for the weekend. So, not a whole lot going on there. Gold is just kind of meandering about right there, right on that 20 period moving average on the 4-hour chart. So again, not a whole lot going on there either. You have to go to have to go down to the 15-minute chart in order to make to trade anything today, or see if I can make any money today. Silver might be like shooting fish in a barrel today too. So who knows? Silver, we have it's starting to perk up a little bit. The Bollinger Bands are not really as broad as I'd like to see them, but they are somewhat tight. But we do have a range going on here, kind of a bullish range. Looks like a reversal candle forming right there, so we'll see about that. See about trading gold today. If that translates into the gold market today and creating an opportunity to sell gold more. That may be an opportunity. I don't know. Right now, I wouldn't go any trade on that, considering the tighter Bollinger Bands, and again, right there on the middle of the Bollinger Bands. So with that, there's with no fundamentals, we're just trading technicals today. So it's as far as excitement goes, we're not going to have any. If you're looking for excitement in Forex anyway, you should probably look somewhere else, like a favorite book or something. But in the meantime, that's all I've got for this morning. If you like this video, then by all means like this video. If you like updates on this channel, then subscribe, and you'll get notified whenever I put out new videos, which is pretty often. In the meantime, you guys have a great one. Happy trading. I'll talk to you soon.